Hello everyone, and welcome back to Simple Speak English. My name is Mark, and I am really happy that you are here with us today, because spending this time together always feels calm and friendly to me.
Hi everyone, I am Lily, and I want to give you a very warm welcome too. Wherever you are listening from today, maybe you are at home, maybe you are driving, maybe you are walking. We are very glad you chose to be here with us.
Yes, thank you so much. And before we talk about anything serious, I just want to say, please relax. Sit comfortably, and remember that you do not need to understand every single word.
Yes, exactly. You can just listen, feel the rhythm, and enjoy the conversation, like listening to two friends talking slowly.
Lily, I feel like we always say this, but it is really important.
Yes, because many learners feel nervous, and we want to remove that feeling as much as possible.
So now, after greeting you properly, we want to clearly tell you today's topic, so you know what we are going to talk about together.
Yes, today our topic is making friends in a new country, and this topic is very close to our hearts.
Making friends in a new country can sound simple, but in real life it can feel very hard, emotional, and sometimes even painful.
Yes, especially when you move to a new country and leave your family, your old friends, your habits, and even your favorite places behind.
That feeling of starting again from zero can feel very heavy.
And if you are listening right now and you feel lonely, shy, or unsure, we want you to know that your feelings are completely normal.
Very normal, and many people feel the same way, even if they do not talk about it.
Sometimes people look confident outside, but inside they feel very alone.
Yes, and today we want to talk honestly about that, without pressure and without difficult language.
Just a real conversation, like two friends sharing their thoughts.
Lily, do you remember how nervous we were when we first recorded together?
Yes, I remember very clearly. My hands were shaking a little.
Mine too, and that feeling is very similar to making friends in a new country.
That is true. You want to connect, but you're afraid of making mistakes.
Exactly, and that fear can stop you from trying.
So maybe we can start by talking about why making friends in a new country feels so difficult.
Yes, I think one big reason is language, because when you cannot express yourself easily, you feel smaller.
Yes, and when you cannot show your personality, your humor, your feelings, you feel misunderstood.
I remember thinking, people don't really know who I am because my words are too simple.
I felt that too, and sometimes I thought, if they knew me in my own language, they would like me more.
That thought can be very painful.
Yes, but slowly I learned that you can still show kindness, warmth, and interest even with simple words.
That is such an important lesson.
So let me share a personal story, very honestly.
Yes, please do.
When I first moved, my evenings were very quiet, and sometimes I did not speak at all for many hours.
That silence can feel very loud.
Yes, exactly. And I remember sitting alone, hearing people laugh outside, and feeling a little empty inside.
I know that feeling very well.
Sometimes I asked myself, did I make the right decision to move here?
That question comes to many people's minds.
Yes, and on those days, even going outside felt hard.
What helped you on those days?
Honestly, very small things, like going to the same cafe every day.
That sounds simple, but it is very powerful.
Yes, because the staff started to recognize me, and one day they said my order before I spoke.
That feels very good.
It really did, and in that moment, I felt like I belonged a little.
Belonging is such a strong feeling.
Yes, and that small feeling gave me courage to talk more.
I had a similar experience at a small store near my place.
Really?
Yes, at first I only said hello, every day, the same hello.
That hello is the first brick of a friendship.
That is a nice way to say it.
And one day, hello becomes, how are you? And then it becomes a short conversation.
Exactly. And one day, that person asked me where I was from.
That question can feel scary, but also nice.
Yes, because it shows interest.
And when someone shows interest, you feel seen.
Another reason making friends feels hard is cultural differences.
Yes, people communicate differently in different countries.
In some places, people talk a lot. In others, people are more quiet.
And if you do not know the culture yet, you might think people are cold or unfriendly.
But many times, they are just different.
Exactly, and understanding that takes time.
Time is something we do not talk about enough.
Yes, because many people want fast results.
But friendships grow slowly.
Like a tree, not like a light switch.
Yes, you cannot turn friendship on and off.
Another big fear is making mistakes in English.
Yes, many learners think if I make a mistake, people will judge me.
But most people are actually very kind.
And many people only remember how you made them feel, not your grammar.
That is such an important sentence.
I remember one time I said something wrong and the other person corrected me gently.
That can feel embarrassing, but also helpful.
Yes, and after that, I remembered the word forever.
Mistakes are teachers.
Sometimes very strict teachers.
Yes, but good teachers.
Another thing that helped me was small talk.
Small talk is very important, even though many people think it is useless.
Talking about the weather, work, food, or the day.
These topics are safe and easy.
And they open the door to deeper conversations later.
I remember talking about food with someone, and later we went to eat together.
Food creates friendships.
Always.
Sometimes people ask, how do I invite someone?
Yes, inviting feels very scary.
It does, because you fear rejection.
But rejection is part of life, and it is not personal.
Many times people say no because they are busy or tired.
Not because they do not like you.
And every time you ask, you grow stronger.
Yes, courage grows with practice.
Another important point is being kind to yourself.
Yes, please do not compare your journey to others.
Everyone has a different story.
And everyone moves at a different speed.
Some people make friends quickly, others need more time.
Both are okay.
As we continue talking, I want listeners to remember something very important.
What is it?
Feeling lonely does not mean you failed.
Yes, loneliness is part of change.
And change is always uncomfortable at first.
But change also brings growth.
One day, you will look back and realize how brave you were.
Brave for moving, brave for trying, brave for learning.
Even listening to this podcast or video is a brave step.
Yes, because you are investing in yourself.
Lily, talking about this always makes me emotional.
Me too, because I remember those days very clearly.
As we slowly move toward the end, let us share one final thought.
Yes, a gentle reminder.
Making friends in a new country does not happen overnight.
But it does happen.
One hello leads to one smile.
One smile leads to one conversation.
One conversation leads to connection.
And connection leads to friendship.
Please be patient with yourself.
Please be kind to yourself.
And please remember you are not alone in this journey.
We are walking this path together.
Thank you so much for spending this long, quiet time with us on Simple Speak English.
Yes, thank you from our hearts.
If you enjoyed this conversation and want more calm, real English, please subscribe to Simple Speak English.
We will continue learning, sharing, and growing together.
Take care of yourself, and remember, your story is still being written.
Bye, everyone, and we will see you next time.